Welcome to Elementor. This is Cassie. In this video, you'll learn the first steps to page building with Elementor. We'll begin by adding a new page in your WordPress dashboard. Under Pages, Add New, click Edit with Elementor. If you're using the new WordPress editor, you'll see the same button here. Okay, so what are we looking at here? On the right side is the editing screen of your site, where you add and edit elements that form the layout of your page. On the left side is the Elementor panel. Here are creative tools called widgets. Use widgets to add elements to your page, like headings, paragraphs, images, and videos. When you start building your page, design it from scratch by clicking on the plus button to add a section, or use a pre-designed template. Hit the library icon to add a template. Alrighty, let's add a template together. First, click the magnifying glass to preview a template. Once you find the one you want, insert it up here on the top right. Let's take a closer look at the anatomy of a page. Each page in Elementor is made up of sections. This entire area is a section. These are also sections. Notice the blue border around each section on hover. Inside sections are columns. Identify them by these black dotted lines and the column icon handle. Here's another column. And inside the columns are widgets. Here's a text widget. Inside a column, inside a section. Use their handles to edit any element and move them around. Click the section handle on the left. The plus lets you add a new blank section. To edit your section, click the dots in the middle. This opens the panel to Layout, Style, and Advanced. Move the section up or down using the middle dots by dragging and dropping. Here you can also right-click to duplicate or delete your section, or copy-paste, and more. You can do the same for a column. Just right-click. Need another column? To add a new column, right-click its handle and add. And do the same for widgets. Duplicate, delete, and copy. Easy peasy. The whole layout is super flexible. You can easily drag any element around. Change the column width by grabbing the edges and moving it left or right, like this. Your work is saved automatically. If you want to publish it and view your live page, click the green Publish button down here. Click Have a Look to see the published page. To preview your draft before you publish it, click the eye icon below. You're good to go. Click below the video on Create New Page to start building your very own first page.